welcome in to another Woolly review. It's Yarnsmiths Cotton DK. The cheapest place that I have found this is on Woolwarehouse, which is the exclusive place to actually get Yarnsmiths, although of course other people will buy it and sell it on. But still, it's £1.29 at time of recording and 121 colours. 121. If you can't find the colour you want in there, you don't know what you want. Just saying. This is a 50-gram ball, 106 metres or 116 yards. Are we going to focus? Thank you very much. 100% cotton, and they're recommending a size 4 hook. So Beanie is helping me out today. Hi, Beanie. And this is in the colour light turquoise, even though we are not here to review the colour. We're not. Let's find the end. Thank you very much. We've found an end. Now this is not mine. It has been loaned to me for the purpose of review. So I can only do a small sample. Feeling wise, it doesn't feel too bad at all. I don't think it feels the same as I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna compare it. It doesn't feel as nice as Drops Paris, but it's not that dissimilar. As this is a DK, I'm quite surprised because that is quite a thick DK. It's definitely on the larger end. But it said a 4mm hook, and so I am using a 4mm hook. I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That would do for a sample. So we're going to go in on the way to see the frog with a row of single crochet, and Beanie is staring at me from over my shoulder. Methinks she wants something. She's incoming. Is she going to end up on the table? I mean, this is Beanie, right? Can I help you, my darling? You just supervising? Okay. She's just supervising for the moment. I mean, I did say she was coming to help, so, you know, I suppose she's making sure her protege is doing okay, you know? So there we have our single crochets. Not bad definition. I've seen better, but it's not bad. Oh, here we come. Here we come. Oh my gosh. Here we come. So now we have a Beanie overly supervising. Okay, so now we're going to do half doubles. She's just making sure I'm doing it right. I know. I'm not stupid. She thinks I am. Probably compared to her I am, but still. Anyway. How do I feel with using this? It definitely feels like cotton in fingers. I'm not talking like, oh yeah, well, it's got that roughness to it. No, but it feels like cotton while I'm working with it. It's definitely more of a use it for non-household items kind of cotton. You know, with you doing that, it's rocking the table, my darling. I wish you wouldn't. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, you. Love you too. I know. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now we've got kisses. Oh, no, we want more kisses. Okay. Are we done? We're done with the kisses. Nope. Clearly not. And the camera gets some kisses too. So there's our half doubles. So now we'll do 1 row of doubles and then we'll be at the frog's house. So I'm not being cautious in any way with regard to, oh, this is cotton, it's going to split on me. I'm not worried about that. It seems perfectly fine. I'm doing it at my pace. I'm not attempting to be careful in any way. The only thing that I'm trying to be careful of is making sure that Beanie's tail doesn't touch the cotton, because I don't want to send this back with Beanie attached, you know? Okay. So remember, we're here to judge the cotton, not my poor crochet skills. So for obvious reasons, the double is far easier to see. The half double, not so much. Single crochet, not so much. I know this test, there's no stretch there at all. That's cotton, and it's pretty tough cotton. It's pretty tough cotton. Doesn't feel bad at all. Like, to have that like as a bolero, that's the first thing that came into my mind. As a bolero, I would not mind that on my skin at all. I would say that is, thank you very much. I would say that is perfectly nice. So, Mr. Frog, let's go for a walk. Oh, the kinkage. Oh, the kinkage. How about get on your moped, huh? Perfectly fine. But look at the kinkage. Look at the kinkage. Kinkage. Which kind of goes hand in hand with cotton to a large degree. You do get some that don't give as much kinkage. But not many. Anyway. So we have a little belt back on. So yeah, £1.29 on Wool Warehouse right now. All the details will be in the description, including a link to the Wool Warehouse and all washing instructions, etc., etc. But Yarnsmiths Cotton. I'm going to have to bring this down here because we have a beanie in the way. But what we're going to give it, Bean? Would we turn our back on it completely? No, I don't think so. Would be really, really annoyed if that was the only cotton DK in our price range and we had no choice but to grab it. Not at all. Would it be in our top 10 and we say, you know what? That's not bad. I could do that. Well, yeah, I think I would say that. Would it be in my top 3? 121 colours. And currently at £1.29. How much yardage was on it again? 106. For DK. Yeah, I think it'll be in my top 3. I will go as far as saying beanie holds that side down with her tail. And this beanie holds that down. I think we're going to go with a 4.5. 4.5. 4.5. Let's move that up. I'm going to give it a 4.5 for the Yarnsmiths Cotton DK. I think that's an amazing array of colours. It feels fine. I have no problem with the splitting. The size hook, pretty much spot on, I'd say. It feels nice. It's not hard and rough. I like it. I like it. So yeah, 4.5 Ladybirds out of 5. Have you used it? If you haven't, would you? I mean, this is my personal opinion only. Obviously, I'm not affiliated, but you're going to have to let me know what you think of the review, what you think of this from what you've seen or what you've heard. Let me know down in the comments below. And just under this video, there is, of course, all the details for this particular cotton. There is a subscribe button if you haven't already. It would be wonderful if you could. Please, please, please. And hello. Are we okay? Okay. I think we just need a stroke. Okay. We just need a stroke. Yeah, if you haven't already, it would be wonderful if you do. Try and put out yarn reviews every Thursday, or at least as many as I can. So this is this one. Hopefully, I will see you around soon. You take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.